Hey traders, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com, and in this video I'm going to just share, some analysis that I'm doing right now when I'm looking at some trades that I'm looking to take myself. And I'm going to give you one of the keys to successful trading as well too. Okay, but anything I do say in this video is general advice only. Market's risky. You get the point. Okay. All right. Let me stop. Boys to men. All right. So let me just quickly get into this, and it's another short little video to help you out. When trading the markets, it's important to preempt what is likely to happen, preempt and be prepared for opportunities when they come. And that's why it's important to sit down and do your analysis sometimes in the market. Say, you know what, this is what this is what could happen, and if this does happen, then it could be a setup. So the whole thing is that I'm just looking at this chart right now, and I'm looking at the NZJPI, JPY, and I'm looking at that pair right now, and I'm looking at a chart right now, and the chart I'm actually looking at is just an hourly chart. Okay, it's just an hourly chart. Now, what I am looking at is I'm looking at this overall move, and one thing I do teach when I'm trading is to squeeze the chart up as much as possible. Now, a bit of a tip for you guys: what you want to do is you want to be able to read the strength and moves. Okay, read the strength and moves, because whenever you are trading, it's important to be reading who is in control of the market, and one way to actually do that is reading the strength in moves. Okay. Now the strength in moves is like you can see we've got a strong move down and a strong move up and a strong move down. But look at this here. Okay, look at this here. Strong, strong, strong. Who's in control there? No one, right? No one. The buyers and sellers are fighting it out big time. Make sense? So they're fighting it out heaps here, and what they're doing is they're saying, okay, then no one's in control yet. But then suddenly what happens is see these buyers period through here. This buying period through here was actually a lot weaker than the previous buying period, right? So this is the last buying period, and then the buying period through here. Make sense? So then what happens is now the sellers slowly start to come in control here, but what we're looking at is we're just looking at the strength and moves. So one thing I'm seeing here is this. We're seeing an overall stair step into the high side, okay? But one thing you'll notice is, do you notice that this selling period through here is a lot stronger than this bit, this bit, this bit, this bit, this bit? Do you notice that? So even though what we're seeing is a continuation or continuing movement to the high side through here, okay, which is actually broken the trend line, but even though we're continuing seeing a movement to the high side, by actually reading the actual strength in the chart itself, which is the strength in moves, it's actually showing you, hey, the sellers could be coming in control here. Okay, now what we're looking at is we're generally looking at strong buyers or weak sellers. Strong buyers, weak sellers. Let me show you what I mean here. Let me just get my good old Snagit tool up, and I'll do this. Okay, so what we can see is we've got strong buyers, basically, yeah, strong buyers, weak sellers through here. Strong buyers, weak sellers. You get the point, right? Strong buyers and a bit of a strong buying period through here as well too. But what we're after is where the market's talking to each other, where we have strong sellers and then weak buyers. Okay, so you can see here a bit of a strong sellers, strong buyers, weak sellers, and then the market runs up through here. Makes sense? So what we're looking for is we're reading the strength in moves, and this is something that most people actually, I don't hear anyone talking about. And it's so critical to your trading because we're reading the internal strength. Even though the market's moving to the high side, yes, we're getting a big upward movement through here, and they say, oh well, the trend's gone to the high side. Yeah, but look at the strength in moves. Look, if you read this selling period through here is so much stronger than the last couple of periods. That to me tells me that the sellers are getting a lot stronger than they have in the last couple of times. Now for me, what would I want to see for that to confirm something is likely to happen? Well, I want to be able to see, let me just delete this here. I want to be able to see something on the chart to tell me that, hey, the buyers are now losing strength. And what is that? Just reading the strength. If we've had strong buyers through here, and then suddenly we've had strong sellers, and then suddenly we get like maybe a bit of a flag formation where the buyers are weak, and then it starts to break down, guess what's likely to happen? We're now likely to shift in strength and start moving to the downside. So instead of getting strong buyers, weak sellers, strong buyers, weak sellers, strong buyers, weak sellers, strong buyers, if we get strong sellers, which is much stronger than the last couple of times, and then suddenly we get weak buyers, and the buyers are a lot weaker than they have been through these periods through here, well then you know the power in the market itself is shifting. Makes sense? This is very, very powerful to your trading. And so anyway, I'm just putting this video together to show you that this is the sort of stuff that I look at when I'm actually doing my analysis, okay? It's important to look in the strengthened moves and seeing where's even though the market's moving high, there's a balance in the power, and it's shifting in the markets right in front of your eyes by looking at the strengthened moves. Where's the strengthened moves? And that's gonna give you a heads up with a likely turn on the market even before it does turn. Most people say, "Oh, well, the trend's up. We're just gonna keep buying it into here, and hopefully it does go up." Where for me, I'm not like that. I'm actually I'm actually a bit different. I'm actually reading the strengthened moves and waiting for that really, really good setup. Make sense, guys? So as doing my analysis right now, let me just delete this. As doing my analysis right now on this actual chart, for me, if I'm looking for a trading opportunity right now, I'm actually saying, okay, we've had this big strong selling period. That's the first thing. If we do start to get a lot of weak buyers through here, maybe a bit of a flag formation, and then a little bit of a breakdown, then that tells me we're likely to start breaking down. Makes sense? So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tip. And I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you liked it, click on the like button. And if you're interested in getting more free education, then click on that CD, which is at the bottom of your screen, or it's going to be on the bottom of the screen, and grab the CD for free as well too. And I can help you out. If you're after, say, a free coaching call for me to help you out, free coaching, then go to my website, and you'll be able to. Or if you're on my website, you'll be able to see that as well. If you're not on my website, then go to officialjohnhowe.com. Go to the free education tab, and then you'll be able to see some information about getting a free coaching call off me, so I can help you move forward. Okay, guys, John Howell here from officialjohnhowe.com, and no matter what happens, say to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, and evening, and that is success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. Hey, John Howell here, and if you like this video, then hit the like button and also the subscribe button on your screen right now. I also have 2 free gifts for you. If you're thinking about doing any type of investing, then don't do a thing until you get my free CD, and you can see more information about that on the screen right now. Just click on the image, and it'll send you over to a page where you fill out the information, and I'll send it off to you for free. Also, if you're looking to get healthier, also looking to lose some weight, or you're looking to learn how did I remove my cancer 100% naturally back in 2009, I'm still healthy to this day, then click on the book image, and I'll send that off to you for free as well. Also, if you did like this video and you want to support us, you can follow us on Facebook, or you can donate any amount that you feel that you got out of this video. You see, I'm planning on going to Africa soon to build homes, schools, etc., and some of the donations I get will be going to this cause as well. So click on the Facebook and the donate button, and that'll send you over to a page where you can do that. Okay. This is John Howell here from officialjohnhowe.com, and I'll see you soon.